Lord, sa imong atubang ngunyan, inaako mo si Rina Roxanne na maging tunay mong agom, susong sa pinagbubuot, kan banal na simbahan, ina niya to.
Opo, Padre.
As you know me, isa akong strong and independent person. Pero kapag nakaramdam ako ng pagod at lungkot, it is with you that I find peace and absolute silence.
I remember dati nung una kitang makita, ay naramdaman ko na ikaw na nga yung hinahanap ko. Na gusto kong makasama habang buhay.
And 3 years is a short span of time for some people. But this is enough time for me to know that you're really the one. I thank God because He blessed me with a man like you.
And today is the greatest day for totally having you in my life. Ang araw na inaasam natin na pagbuklidin tayo sa isa't isa.
And as much as I want to thank you for being my strength, allow me to give this simple gift for you. This will remind you that time will tell how much I love you. See you later.
And I also want to thank Nanay Mer for raising you well. A man who is God-fearing and lovable son. A man who's understanding, simple and romantic. A man who's not shy on showing me what really love is. At isang tunay na tall, dark, and handsome.
I will stand by you, I will love you and growing old with you. Salamat, and I'm so blessed for having you in my life. Always remember that I always love you.
From this day forward, I will honor and respect you. I will let you lead our family because I believe that a good home starts with a good man, and I believe in you. I will stand by you and hold your hand on this journey. I love you.